thought I would let you guys into what my day has been like today. I just got off a call with TikTok head office. They have an amazing agency team. So I was just speaking about best practice for accounts. How can we really maximize them? I think at the moment, if you're wanting to do conversion-based campaigns and really get purchases, you're going to need some significant budget of around $150 a day at minimum. Think of like your local shopping center, right? Obviously you're hoping that like your Woolworths, your Coles, or if you're on like a strip that has, I don't know, something really popular, H&M or something, they're gonna have a really good retail spot on the strip that everyone's walking down. Whereas you might find, because you're not spending enough budget, you might be right down the back and around the corner and no one can find your brand. And because you're not giving enough money to the platform, it can't optimize correctly and find those appropriate audiences. So that was really exciting to find out today. Also today, I had a meeting with a new business. So exciting, they answered, and they were from LA, which is so cool. They came through our form submission on our website, and I was having a good chat to them. They are also an agency over in LA. And tomorrow is looking quite good. I've got new business calls and existing business calls. I have started putting in like a little reading time in my mornings. What this does is just allows me to really get through my emails before I am in meetings all day and really get ahead of the day and help anyone out so that I can really set the day right. I've got some social sessions where I really work on strategy with our key account managers in there to really maximize their accounts and keep on top of, especially, you know, all of our really big accounts and what their spend is looking like and where it's allocated. Bits and pieces, you know. Oh, actually, I have a marketing meeting, like a strategy session at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I'm glad we had this talk because I did not see that. It was in a color that I would have missed. So yes, that's my day. Good morning, 4:58 in the morning. Classic. Nice and early trip. We're heading to Melbourne for a event for Schwarzkopf that we're running, which is really exciting. So yeah, we're currently, I don't know, we're all in good spirits, which is really good. We're keen to get a coffee and get on our 6 a.m. flight nice and early. Melbourne is becoming our second home. We're here all the time now. Guys, we've landed from our flight and we are in the Uber on our way to the Schwarzkopf event at the moment. Very exciting times. It's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna be doing coffee runs and making sure the event runs really smoothly. We've got a whole bunch of different documents here to make sure that everyone is feeling really well looked after and feeling good to go. Yeah, we love what we do. It's so awesome. And yeah, this is such a beautiful client that we love a lot and have had so much fun working on over the last year. We had so much fun being able to host this event for Schwarzkopf Professional for D. Parker Atwood down in Melbourne. As you can see, we're in such a beautiful salon with the most divine bunch of people learning so much about, you know, how to, you know, present different looks for awards. And I think it's really cool. We've been around the award space ourselves in a different way, and just to learn like the different tips and tricks on how to really present yourself for awards was really cool to learn. And we had a lot of fun being able to make the day go super smooth. The vlog continues. We're in the car on the way to the airport at the moment, and we finished up early, which was fantastic. Everything worked really on schedule, and you know what event planning and kind of events are like. They can run overtime. Not this one. We were on it. The whole team was on it, and we're heading to the airport, but we've done something. We've moved our flight an hour early, and we are cutting it by a minute. So we're gonna have to get the last bit of energy in us to see if we're gonna make it.
Yes. Yeah. We did it. Urgent flight. To be fair, in our defense, it was delayed. So, by like half an hour. So we made it. Gone home.